Hello? Okay. Mistakes happen. I'm no stranger to mistake, but I put my hand up whenever I make these mistakes and I can say that, yeah, I did that. We're making a patch. We're putting a patch in. We're repairing things. So I'm going to walk through how I put a patch in, and I'm going to show you how like a really cool, really simple embroidery stitch that I like to do. I don't know its name, but it's really pretty and it emphasizes the fact that I fucked up.
Now, whether your rip happened by a kitchen knife or by general wear and tear, the first thing you want to do is clean up all those excess threads that are kind of like spouting out around the hole or the wound. And then, as best you can, select a piece of fabric with equal strength as the garment that you're placing the patch into. You can color match it. I'm choosing not to. And then all we're doing is doing a running stitch all the way around this patch. This can be a little bit fiddly, like even like pinning it down first, it's still, I don't know, it's a little fiddly. And once you're done, flip it out inside out, and you'll all that excess fabric from the patch piece that you have put in, just gonna trim around it, and then we're ready to get into the embroidery stitch.
It makes me really sad that the quality it takes to kind of own up from, hello, come closer. I think that there's an emotional reaction to realizing that an error has been made. It's such a small thing, this little patch, the fact that I'm emphasizing a mistake, but it's something that I think I will always do because I want that quality to be associated with me as a person, as someone who's able to like lean into something that is my own fault and take ownership of it.
Now with your lady, the dance is as follows. We're going to stitch a ladder or like a train track right the way around the patch. This is going to reinforce the patch we just installed with our lazy running stitch. Also hide that kind of Frankenstein nonsense in order to kind of put it in. So we basically just come in, go across and down again, creating kind of like a one track, one ladder run. And then we're going to, on the wrong side, come up the diagonal to come out the other side, and repeat, just across, diagonal, cross, diagonal, cross, diagonal, right the way around until you complete the patch. Now, from this top part, and she's going to go under the rung to go over the rung and through. And keep her tight, and this is going to create a double loop around one rung or one track, and we're just going to repeat as we go all the way around the ladder or the train track. She's going to go under, then over, then through. Hold her tight. Under, then over, then through. Hold her tight. Under, then over, then through. Hold her tight. And repeat. Just repeat, 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 repeat. All the way around. Now, if you run out of embroidery thread, you flip it inside out. You can cut it and knot it. And then it's just basically a case of starting again. Knot your embroidery thread. Bring her in through the center. And we're going to go under, over, through, pull her tight. Until we're finished. When you are finished, you're going to turn it inside out and see all these loose parts where she stopped the dance and started again. We're just going to clean them up. So just snip them all around, make it as clean as possible on the inside, and you're done. You have just done I don't know what the name of this embroidery stitch is, but you've done it anyway. It's kind of cute. I found it on Pinterest. You just put in a decorative patch. No shame, no hiding.
It looks cool, right? Thanks for following along. If you made it this far, I think that the YouTube algorithm is recommending you a video, probably from one of mine to watch. I think you should do it. And pour one in the comments. Let me know a mistake you've made and how you're gonna repair it / lean into it. It's awkward, but it's good. Okay, stay safe. See you guys around.